Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing video. This is something that I've been looking forward to. It's an Android head unit for the Prius. Anyway, let's open this up. By the way, in the background you're probably hearing my neighbor's rooster crowing. I apologize for that. But unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about it. Also, it's a pretty windy day today, so you might hear some of that in the background as well. Alright. Oh, it's double boxed. That's nice. Just smack the tripod. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like some of the packaging got damaged during shipping, or at least I'm assuming during shipping. But the actual items inside look okay. I don't see any dings or marks or anything on the Android unit, and all this other stuff inside looks okay as well, so that's cool. This looks like it might be the OBD interface. We'll talk about that in a second. Paperwork, some more paperwork, user manual, that's always helpful. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we have a backup camera. That's cool. And the wiring for the backup camera. Nice. Let's see, that looks like a piece of interior trim. More wiring. Ah, here we go. And this is the Android unit itself. So I believe this is, of course, is going to install in the dash, and then this trim piece I think is going to replace the bottom cubby hole thingy, like something like that, I think. Yeah. So anyway, a little bit about this. This is actually sent to me by a sponsor. I didn't get it completely free. I did have to pay a little bit for it, but I got a nice discount. I think they were going to send me the base model unit for free, but I asked if they could include a couple things like the OBD connector and the backup camera, and I offered to pay for those. So anyway, I still got a nice discount on this, and I'm going to be making an install video. But I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing to show you guys what comes in the box. Or at least what comes in the box if you order the OBD2 connector and the backup camera. About the OBD connector. This, I think, is going to allow the unit to do some fun stuff like keeping track of your fuel economy, reading trouble codes, stuff like that. But we'll figure out the details when we do the install. Anyway, that's it for this video. See you next time.